Hey guys, if you're watching this video, you're probably looking at purchasing or already have purchased a Firedisc grill. I would highly encourage you to do so. We have purchased one and we really like it. And we bought it with one of the main purposes for it to be our main cooking component of our camping and overlanding. And you may be wondering, is it practical to camp and overland with it? So I wanted to show you how we use it, set it up, how long it takes, stuff like that. So I'll open things up and show you how we carry it, and then I'll show you how long it takes to set it up and start cooking with it. Alright, so if we open up the back of the 4Runner, I'll show you what everything's looking like right now. And as you can see, my wife Mariah and son Travis over there, they've already got the table out and are already cutting up the food for supper. So right here in this slot is where we keep that table folded up. It fits right here, and then the legs of the Firedisc go right here. Also keep the tongs and the spatula in there. I keep an 11-pound propane tank, a hose, and the wind helmet in that milk crate over there, and then the disc itself is actually on the side of this thing. So this is just sort of a little system I put together myself. I made everything, got the drawers down there. Those drawers stay there all the time. This comes and goes. If we're camping, we use this. It allows me to keep that cooler right here, as well as that bag, as long as it's not too full. Can actually fit in front of it. Everything's still, the gate still closes. Got our jerry can of water here. Now I got another milk crate full of, food and various stuff. So it works pretty good. The Firedisc does not take up all that much space. It's maybe bigger than some other options, but it's not so big that you can't do it. And with the amount of cooking you can do on it, I think it's well worth it. So next I'll show you how long it takes to get everything out and set up where we're ready to start cooking. All right, so here's real-time setup. So the strap is already undone from where Mariah got the table out a little bit ago. Hey guys, so I wanted to throw in here that we bought the 24-inch model. It works the best for us, and I think it would work the best for most people to haul in the back of their rigs. You could buy the 36-inch model and cut it down to whatever size works best for you. We just went ahead and got the 24-inch model. Right there. Go ahead and grab the wind helmet before we get top put on. I use it all the time anyway, whether it's windy or not. And there we go. The grill's set up. Real handy 11-pound propane tank. Alright, so just like that, we're set up and ready to cook. So there it is. Mariah's going to finish cutting up some vegetables and meat and show you some fajitas cooking up here in a minute. But so far this thing's awesome. As long as your son is not doing that when it's hot. And you're all good. Alright, so we are in action. Got some peppers, onions, pineapple, and steak with some taco seasoning. It's all cooking up together. I started the vegetables first, got them cooking a little bit longer, added the meat, and then here in just a little bit, once a little more of that liquid has burned off from the pineapple juice, I'm going to line this around here with tortillas and get them heated up a little bit crispy on one side. And we can start throwing this in there, add some cheese, and we got some homemade pico over there. Top it off, it's going to be a good meal. Alright, well, we got it all cleaned up and packed away. Supper was awesome. This thing really is good for camping. I think it's good for overlanding. You should definitely get one and just have a blast cooking. So this thing's ready to go for breakfast tomorrow. We're going to be cooking up some hash browns, sausage, and eggs in the morning, and it's really going to be good. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. We do a lot of review videos as well as just videos of our travels and adventures. So we'd love it if you would like the video and subscribe, and we hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in.